What's an excuse to call off work that a boss can't argue with? My boss thought I was lying when I called in sick. Everyone's getting that bug, he said. Take medicine and come in. I tried explaining something felt seriously wrong. We're short-staffed. I need you here. So I dragged myself to work. By lunch, I was sweating, shaking. My coworker Jessica took one look at me and said, "Your lips are blue." Next thing I knew, I was in an ambulance. My appendix had burst 12 hours ago. Doctor said if I'd waited another hour, I would have died. While in surgery, my phone buzzed with texts from my boss. "Where are you? This is unacceptable. Job abandonment." Jessica sent him a photo of me in ICU. He didn't respond. 3 days later, he showed up. I thought he was there to fire me. Instead, he handed me an envelope, a formal apology, 2 weeks paid leave, and his resignation. "I almost killed you because I cared more about staffing than people," he said. "I don't deserve to manage anyone." They promoted Jessica. Now when someone calls in sick, she says, "Take care of yourself. Work will be here when you're better." Last week, my old boss came in as a customer. He started to leave, but I stopped him. "Thanks for teaching everyone what kind of manager not to be." He smiled sadly and said, "Sometimes the best lessons come from our worst mistakes." Now when people ask about calling off work, I tell them, the only excuse you need is the truth. And if your boss can't handle that truth, you're working for the wrong person.